To measure the lengths of the femur and tibia and the femoral-tibial angle on an X-ray image, right-click the image to access the context menu and select the goniometric measure option from the Show Measures submenu. Drag the left mouse button from the center of the femoral head to draw a circle around it. Next, drag the left mouse button to draw a segment through the center of the knee. Finally, drag the left mouse button to draw a segment at the level of the ankle joint. The system will automatically draw the femur axis and the tibia axis. The lengths of the femur and tibia axes and their combined length will be displayed in millimeters. The angle between them will be displayed in degrees. If necessary, drag the labels to reposition them. To adjust the measurement, click on it and drag one of the segment endpoints or circle markers. To move the measurement, drag it to a new position. Measurements are temporary and will not be saved after the session ends. To save the image with measurements, click Secondary Capture in the Tools section. To remove the measurement, click on it and press the Cancel key.